Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to play this song nwannem Ebezinna by Osita Osadebe in the key of A flat. I'll break the song down for you. I'll first play along, then I'll break it down for you. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so by hitting the subscribe button below so you get notifications from me whenever I post new videos. Alright, so that was like everything about the song. So in the key of A flat, this is our 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to the 1. So it's basically simple. I'll first show you what the left hand is playing, then I'll tell you what the right hand plays. There are, let's say, different parts of this song that you need to play. First, before I continue, you should know that this song was not played with just one keyboard. You should know that. There's a bass guitarist, tons of lead guitarists, and many multiple keyboards being played. But I'm just trying to use one keyboard to demonstrate. So I'm playing the bass line, fairly simple bass line on my left hand. So it's just simple, just the 1 to the 5. So do, so, do, so, do, so, do, so, re, so. So we are playing that 4 times. 1, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you move to re, that's the 2 to the 5. You play that 4 times. Then you go back to the 1. Just like that. That's the bass line. That's what you'll be doing on your left hand while playing different things on the right hand. So now for the initial time or the beginning part of the song, it goes like this. Do, mi, so, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Then you go down. I'm just playing double notes. The 1 and the 3. You move down to the 7 and the 2. 6 and the 1. 5 and the 7. Then when you hit this 5 and 7, you play the chord or the triad. 5, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2. So that's the beginning part. So it goes like this. So your left hand and your right hand goes at the same time. So by the time I get to the 5, my left hand moves to the 5 as well. Now, because I'm trying to play everything, both the work of a keyboardist and the guitarist, after I play the 5 twice, instead of playing 4 times, after I play it twice, I go to the solo. So let's take that part. Now, what my right hand is doing is, so you're hitting the fa or the 4 first. Fa, re, then fa, re, do, so, fa. Then you play the 1 chord. Mi, so, do, Now let me play that with the beginning movement. So you see that when I'm coming to this, my hand is on the 5. So just know you're playing 4/4. Then when I get to the 1 chord, I'm back with my 1 on this phrase. Now let's go to the next session. The next part, after landing on the 1, then you play. Let me break that down. So the 1 chord. So you start with the 5. 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 5. That's the first part. Sorry. Then 5, 3, 1 again. 5, 3, 4, 2, 2. Then the next part. Then the next part. So the 4, 4, 2, 2, 7, 7, 5, 5, 4. Then you now land on the 1 chord. So but this time around you're playing. Then you go to the 5 chord in this inversion. That is 2, 5, 7. Then you end on the 1. Then the last part, you go to, or you can play the chord, the 1 chord, or you can use this. So So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 7, and 2, 6, and 1, 5, and 7. Then you go back. You try it again. So after you complete the double note movement, you go. That is 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 5. Then you go back again. Okay, sorry. This time around, right when you play, instead of just landing here like this, you play like a broken chord. But this time you're adding the dominant 7. So this is how this chord is supposed to be. We're adding the 4, which is the dominant. So you break it like that. Then you go back again. So, do, mi, do, so. That's everything about the song. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you are a newcomer in this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I beg you, please share the video with your friends. Thank you and God bless you. Before I go, let me play it from the beginning to the end slowly. So that's the video. Thank you and God bless you. See you all in the next video. Thank you.